This video is another example of how to use the work order engineering link in order to upload products and materials into each work order after you have processed them through microfilm. So to begin with, I'm going to open my energy work order engineering link, and I'm also going to open the work order that I am currently working on uploading the products and materials to. Now, this work order, Jeremy sent me a note that says materials are ready for upload. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that I'm in the work order, and I'm going to go to the budget tab. And within the budget and the products, I'm going to select all the products, and I'm simply going to click hide in Kiosk. Now, I choose to hide these in Kiosk because these were the items that were estimated, and there's a good chance that they will not match exactly what we are actually going to produce. And I don't want the people in the shop to see these items and become confused. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go find this work order in the work order engineering link. So I will start by filtering for 1071. And the name of the work order is 4021-07, so I'll go look for that one. There it is. Now I'm also going to find that same work order in microvellum. So remember, these are the energy windows, and down here is the microvellum windows. So I'm going to click on microvellum, and I'm prompted with this. There's my 4021-07. I'll select it. And these are the products that were produced through microvellum. I'm simply going to update it. Once it updates, it's going to open the shipment items in a new tab in my Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. What you will see is that Jeremy and I were working earlier on this, and we created a shipment item called shop drawings. We will cover that in another video. For the time being, I'm going to go back to budget. I'm going to look at my materials, and as you can see, there's some materials that have been added to the bill of materials, and there are some materials that were sitting in our budget. Now what I can see is that Steve modified these materials at around 5 o'clock today, which means that he uploaded them without me uploading them for him. So there's nothing really left for me to do here. But I could have uploaded these automatically, and we'll have to go over them in another video.